Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, as you can tell, it's very dark and I'm not in my house. Yep, that's right. I'm in Fort Myers Beach, Florida, in the 5th floor of a whole resort. If you can see the beach out there, really dark and creepy. But anyways, I got this Lego Speed Champions GTR Nismo. I bought it a couple of days ago at the big super center Walmart. Never had time to unbox it. Then it hit me. Why don't I unbox it and build it at the same time? So let's see what it brings. Oh yeah, and as you can see here, it's the official Nissan Motor Corporation official license sealed product, so it's official from Nissan of Japan. Let's see the first thing we got. These pieces number 2. These bag number 1. A loose piece of some sort, and the instructions. It looks pretty big, but we're gonna build him. As you know, we've all played with Legos once in a blue moon as little kids, so I remember when I was a little kid, I used to play with Legos, and yeah, I happened to see this, and I was like, wow, let's me buy it because I really like Nissans and stuff. And oh look, here's the chart of all the pieces. Anywho, let's get building and see what alright, it says here you could read the instructions online by scanning the barcode on the front cover, or get instructions plus by going to their website. Oh look, it's in Japanese down here. Okay, so step 1. Oh, here we go. So it's telling me here on step 1. Oh, here's that weird piece that we saw. And you get to it. So well guys, it's indicating that I'm running low on battery, so I guess I'm gonna have to build it now and not record it myself building it, because it's indicating that I have low battery. Whoops. Well guys, thanks for watching this, what's supposed to be YouTube unboxing and YouTube build of the Nissan GT-R Nismo. Kind of weird, these things happen to everybody, you know. So always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if I can, I'll try and record it and put it on another video.